Good evening everyone. So in this video I'll try to explain you the solution for the given program. So it will ask you like create a Java class called student which is having the following details as a variables. So they ask you that you have to create one class name student and you have USN name, branch and phone numbers as a data members to that particular class. And write a Java program to create n student objects and print the USN name, branch and phone of these objects with a suitable headings. So this is a question given for you. So for that, it will ask you like you have to create a class name student with four data members like USN, name, branch and phone. And later you have to create n number of objects to class. So for that you have to use an arrays concept. And from that you can access or you can read the values as well as you need to display. So that is a question asked for you. So for that, so this is a Java program. So import java.util.scanner. So this is a package. So because in this program, I'm going to read input from the user. So for that, I need to import this package java.util.scanner. So this is my class name student. So which consisting these four data members like USN, name, branch and phone number. So here I'm given my phone number variable as PH. So later I have two methods. One is for reading data and another is for displaying the data. So this is for reading data. So my method name is accept. So now this accept method is going to read the values for USN, name, branch and phone number of each and every student. So which you later created by n number of objects. So in this accept method, so now this is a scanner class. So this is an object scanner. So by this I'm using system.in as an argument to this class object so that it is ready to take input from the keyboard. So now I prompt the user enter USN. So USN equals to scanner dot. So this is an object of your class scanner dot next. So scanner dot next function is going to take a string from the keyboard. Suppose if you want to take any numerical value, then you can take it as with next int. So here I treated everything as a string so that I can use scanner dot next only. So by this scanner dot next, I can read the values for USN, name, branch and phone number. So this is the purpose of the method void accept. And after that, by using display method, so simply I can display the student details, USN, name, branch and phone number. And later I am given some space. So here it is. So for this purpose, I am using this accept and display functions. And here this is my main method. So now you have to save your class name with main.java because this main class will consisting your main method. So here also I'm ready to take n value from the keyboard so that I'm using scanner and this is an object and new scanner of system.in. So now your compiler is ready to take input from the keyboard by this statement. And here I'm given, I'll prompt the user enter value for n. So here n value is taken from the keyboard. So for that n is an integer. Here I'm taken next int method. And this is the way how you are going to create array. So my array name is object1. So I'm creating my array with name object1 and for the class student and I'm passing n value to this array. So we'll fix the size of your array. And here by using for loop, so simply I can take values from 0 to n. So first index starts from 0 and it will try to read values up to n minus 1. So here by using object of I is going to take the first index value and it will allocate a memory for the first record. So because here we are creating number of objects, So every object is having their own space to store USN, name, phone number, and branch details. So for that, I'm using object one of I equals to new student of. So every time when index is going to increment, it is going to reserve a memory for your object. So by using that object, I'm calling a method accept. So now you can see this is your accept method. So you can declare all your data members of type private. We cannot access these outside, right? So by method only we can access. So that here ob1 of I dot accept method is going to call this accept method, and it is ready to read your input from the keyboard. And then later again I am using for loop. So again I want to display the values of each and every object, that is each and every student. So because of that again I am taken I0, I is less than and I plus plus. So OB1 of I dot display. So here my for loop is closed, and this main method is closed, and my class is closed. So I just run this program. So now you can see it will ask me value of n. So I'll provide value as 2. So now it is ready to take 2 records. So if you want to take 5 records, then you can give your n value as 5. Then it will ask you the values for 5 times. So here I'm given USN is some 15 like this, and the name I'm given as Devi, and branch I'm given as CSC, and phone number. So because I am given n value is 2, again it will ask me for the another record. So here I am given my USN value like this, and the name, branch, and phone number. So I just click on enter. Now you can identify the details of the student. So this is your first student details, and this is your second student details.